Don'ts we must not do. Do not insert anything in your nostrils. Do not read in dim light. Do not listen to music while walking on the road. Do not read while walking. Do not insert anything in your ears. Do not insert anything in your eyes. Do not eat or drink too hot or too cold. Do not eat junk food. Do not tell lies. Do not wear high-heeled shoes or sandals. Do not eat uncovered meals. Do not bite hard things. Do not drink dirty water. Do not play in your class. Do not go near fire. Do not talk with each other while your teacher is teaching. Do not eat much food at one time. Do not watch TV while taking your meals. Do not eat very spicy food. Do not make fun of others. Do not fight with others. Do not lose your temper. Do not cheat at games. Do not use abusive language. Do not be proud. Do not litter on the road. Do not cry over little things. Do not shout. Do not throw stones on public property. Do not smoke. Do not steal. Do not climb the railings on the road. Do not tease animals. Do not throw banana peel on the road. Do not throw garbage on the road. Do not pluck flowers. Do not stand on the bed with muddy shoes. Do not insist or weep for toys.